It's getting heavier. It's getting heavier. What's up, guys? My name is Steve Weatherford. I'm a Super Bowl champion, but today I'm getting my very first fitness assessment with artificial intelligence. Come here, let me show you. Training experience, beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Advanced.
We'll be using the device to track your performance across 5 exercises, each representing different movement patterns, including the squat, hinge, push, pull, and rotation.
I'm a little bit tired. I feel like I went through a workout. Exercise 2 completed. One of the things that the AI is doing is based upon my speed, velocity, and my strength. It's actually increasing the weight to my capability. So the artificial intelligence should have all the information they need about my squat game. I just got done with my OxeFit AI workout. You see that spinning circle? That means there's a gajillion computers that are all working together right now based upon my workout to spit out to me a strength score, a mobility score, and a balance score. And then in addition to that, it's going to make training recommendations for me based upon those stats. They're taking all 3 into consideration, which is exactly what a performance coach in professional sports would do for us. OxeFit did not change the game with this new drop. They're reinventing it. They're taking AI, which is changing everything, and they found a way to apply it to fitness, wellness, and human optimization. The game just changed, y'all.